seeing a flashing red light on your Ryobi charger and wondering what's going on? Don't panic, this isn't an error. Let me show you what it means. So, if we get our battery and our charger, and we plug it in, and we get this red flashing light, you can see it's quickly resolved itself. A flashing red light means the battery is either one of three things: too hot, too cold, or deeply discharged. This is just the charger saying, hang on, I'm checking the battery before I start charging. It's completely normal, especially after heavy use or if the battery's been sitting in a cold room. If your battery is hot from use, give it 30 minutes to cool down, then pop it back in and let it start charging and do its thing. Once the battery is ready, the charger will switch mode automatically. So even if you do actually leave the battery in the charger, it'll just be flashing red, and once it's got to the right temperature, the green light will start flashing, indicating we're charging. So next time you see a red flashing light, don't stress, it's just part of the process. Let it cool down, be patient, and you'll be back in action in no time. Now you know exactly what your Ryobi charger is trying to tell you. If this helps you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.